because your staff is right here following me around the building.
These staff aren't, but others.
I don't understand. If you feel uncomfortable, you should stay away from the person, right? That only makes logical sense.
They can't. They have to work here. Your presence.
She's not working. What is she doing?
She's not the one I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. Because she's not working.
Yes, she is.
What is she doing right now?
Making sure I'm safe.
Making sure you're safe.
Making sure my people are safe.
Safe from who? From me?
Yes, because you're acting
You have the
oddly.
right to videotape us personally?
Because you're in a public space and you're a public servant, ma'am. Can I get your name?
You know my name. I gave it to you already.
Oh, okay. I don't recall your name. I don't know. I would have just handled my business and been done already, but you guys are just preventing me from doing that and causing a scene. I'm making everyone uncomfortable, ma'am. For having I feel uncomfortable with the cameras you guys have.
Well, then don't come here if you don't have business here.
So don't work for the public, ma'am, if you don't want to be filmed.
He's filming everybody. He has no business here that I can detect.
Hey, how are you, sir? Can I just get your names and badge numbers?
Sure. Starting on. Officer Dooley.
And badge numbers?
46220. Mine's 43998.
Thank you, sir. No, I'm an independent journalist. I'm working on a story in this building
Okay.
for the Florence County Clerk, and just staying in publicly accessible areas. I'm not going into restricted areas or anything like that. Just exercising my constitutional rights. That's all I'm doing here.
Okay. Have they asked you to leave?
No, they told me that, and it wouldn't matter. And it wouldn't matter if he asked me to leave because this is a public building. I'm not committing any crimes. I'm not causing any type of disturbances. I'm not.
It's a public building, but they do have the rights, and there are still rules and regulations. It's not a carte blanche type thing. You're allowed to film. You're allowed to do stuff until they ask you to leave. If that's what they want you to do, if that's the case,
That would be a violation of my. Yes, it would.
Okay. Well, that's
It
fine.
would be.
That's understandable. You're willing to.
So do we not? Are you familiar with the First Amendment of the Constitution, sir?
I'm familiar with it.
Okay, so we have freedom of press. I'm a journalist.
Absolutely, and that's why we're not saying you can't do anything like that. But
Can I ask a favor?
Yeah, sure.
My lawn.
No problem.
At least step back this way.
No problem.
I understand what you do. That's totally fine. But if they ask you to leave, you do have to leave.
Well, if they ask me to leave and you force me to leave, then I would just file a civil litigation against your city here. So it wouldn't be good. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
I don't mind the letting film. I just want him to get it over with and get out of here. How much more do you need to do?
I would have been probably done already.
So please answer the question. How
I
much more
don't.
do
I
you
can't. I
need?
couldn't tell you a time frame, sir. I told you that before. I can't tell you a time frame. I'm just filming the publicly accessible areas. I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to do anything.
Or I'm going to say you have to leave.
Sir, that would be a very big mistake on your part, sir. I'm telling you. You don't understand. But
Dude, people threaten to sue me every day.
listen. It's okay. It's an empty threat for most people.